Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the upper right door hinge in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new upper right door hinge. This upper right door hinge is mounted on the right side on the top of the refrigerator cabinet. It allows the right French door to swing open and close. The main reason for the upper right door hinge to be replaced is if it breaks, causing the French door not to open or close properly. To get to the part, we need to remove this control panel on the top, Phillips screwdriver, and we need to take out 3 screws. One in this corner, one in the middle, and one on the opposite side. Now I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver, going to place it right there where the arrow is and pry this panel up. And one more place here. Alright, the panel is off. Now we can actually remove the hinge. So I'm going to use this flat blade screwdriver, and I'm going to pry open this latch. Then we can slide this lever out of these channels, put it aside. Alright, so we're going to pry up this hinge. Careful with the door. This is the old upper right door hinge next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so this is a new hinge, and there's 3 points I'd like to point your attention to. This edge goes under this lock here, and this pin goes into this slot, and obviously this goes into this door opening here. So we kind of do it all together, but start with this first. And I'm gonna bring the door slightly and push down the hinge. Now the lever comes in. Slide it into the channel. And we're going to turn it down and latch that hinge. Right now I'm going to turn over the cover. Make sure the harness is inside. And we're going to install it back. Alright. And now we're going to secure it with 3 Phillips screws. I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver. And we're going to run those screws in. Alright. We're done. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.